ExpanDrive Honest Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. ExpanDrive is a software tool that lets you connect your computer directly to cloud storage as if it were a local drive, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just another file transfer app. The surprising truth is that ExpanDrive works across multiple cloud services, including Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Amazon's, saving time and simplifying workflows. Pricing starts at $95 for a single user license, with optional annual updates. You won't believe the convenience included: no need to sync files manually, automatic background uploads, and direct editing without downloading. It works seamlessly on Windows and macOS, and even supports enterprise setups for teams. Most people get this wrong by using FreeSync tools, which often require repeated downloads, take up local storage, and lack robust file management. ExpanDrive's pricing reflects the efficiency, flexibility, and cross-service integration it provides. In conclusion, ExpanDrive pricing is straightforward and worth it if you handle multiple cloud accounts regularly. By understanding license costs, update options, and workflow benefits, you go from zero to pro in deciding whether this tool will save time and enhance your productivity.